come join us.
Oh, big giant powwow. Oh. Oh, yeah. Lyndon just died. Lyndon? I don't remember his name. I'm kind of more on the Imperial side. Let's see how the good guys get to win.
Ardo confirmed what you already knew, Keo.
The commander is gone.
Yeah. You know he did the right thing, though. The civilians needed us. The commander sent Vanguard where we were needed most.
Of course. This is what he fought for. That's why it hurts so much.
Whatever happens next, this is the end of the line. I just wanted to say, I know we haven't flown together very long, but if I'm being honest, it feels like you've always been here. I speak for everyone in Vanguard when I say, it's been a pleasure fighting beside you.
Because I have done
I know
all
we
the
have a
work.
mission, but we also have each other to lean on and to protect. You've got my back out there, and I have yours, no matter what.
If you die, I lose.
Okay. General Syndulla is waiting for us in the briefing room. Shall we?
Anyway, Frisk. Oh, no. Do I at least get an X-Wing this time? All will be forgiven. If I get an X-Wing this time. This isn't where I normally stand.
I'm sorry that
Yeah,
our
you're
first
the
real
lady,
meeting
I'm
is
thinking.
under such tragic circumstances. We're all feeling Lyndon's loss. But we're cornered. You and Vanguard have held back the Imperials, but we must get those civilian engineers out safely. I need you focused and ready to go.
All right.
Lyndon
okay.
saw you as a leader, an inspiration even. That's the courage I need right now. Let's get you and the others briefed. There isn't much time. Thanks to your work on the comsats, Anvil Squadron heard our call, and with Lyndon Javes bought us time to repair our ships for escape. But now the Imperial fleet has Anvil's ships pinned down. They can't get out. So we're going back into the fight. Because we need to buy everyone time to escape. No one left behind. Ardo thinks we have one chance. It's drastic, but here it is. The moon is highly unstable, and the Imperial ships are positioned around it. If we crash the Starhawk into the moon's core, the shockwave should destroy those Imperial ships and let us escape, if we're fast. How?
That sounds incredible.
The ship's tractor beam is firing uncontrollably as it overloads. If we can get a couple of corvettes into that beam, we can tow it up to speed. Vanguard Squadron, you're up first. We're counting on you to clear the path and take out the closest Star Destroyer. Corvettes will then enter the tractor beam, and if Ardo's plan works, get the Starhawk moving. It should have a straight shot. Defend our fleet, in case the Imperials get wise to what we're doing. When the Starhawk collides with that moon, the shockwave will hit every Imperial ship in range. And you, unless you outrun it. It's risky, but sacrificing this Starhawk will save our fleet, and the engineers who will build the next one, and the next. The future of the New Republic depends on it.
They're quite big.
Let's finish this.
So far, useless though. All right. All right, who do we got left? Let's talk to Hera.
We were able to evacuate all personnel from the Starhawk. Engineers, technicians, mechanics.
Done so well.
We took a big loss today.
Yeah,
Those who
rough.
died at Nadiri. Lyndon, it won't be in vain. So long as we survive, so does Project Starhawk. And with it, the future of the New Republic. Fortunately, the Imperials didn't seize control of Nadiri. They were too busy chasing us off. I've already sent Meteor and Hail Squadrons to secure the dockyards. Now all we have to do is make it out of here. To your fighter. There isn't much time.
How do we have to fly one of those Corvettes? Looks like a pretty sweet gig, except when you're getting shot at. That doesn't look fun.
You should know, Lyndon always spoke highly of you.
Hmm.
He never forgot
Tenses.
what you did for him at Fostar Haven.
Yes, I have.
I know war takes its toll. Even when the Imperials attacked Mon Cala, I had to keep my head. Lyndon was a friend. He knew exactly what he was doing when he challenged Teresa. Doesn't make it any easier. The Overseer has fallen back, but the other Imperial ships still have us pinned down. You and Vanguard are our last chance. I believe in you. But more importantly, I believe in Vanguard Squadron.
Do other
Lyndon
people
bought us
not have to
time.
look straight down your
I
throat?
know you'll all make it count. Get to your ship. Every moment
Hey, man,
matters now.
close enough. Personal space. Anyone left in here? No? Alright. Hey, Grace. It's been a while since I talked to Grace. I don't get to talk to... Alright.
Come on, look at me. I'm not scared. We'll get through this. We always do.
How do you know?
'Cause we never let each other down, that's why. So, after we pull this off, because we will, what are you gonna do?
This isn't the end of the war, Frisk.
Well,
It's just one
there's
more
no
battle.
end.
Yeah, but we've earned ourselves a whole pile of day passes. You ever been to the
Ooh.
last hand on Nar Shaddaa? Best
That sounds
cantina
bad.
in the Outer Rim.
What a relief. For a moment there, I thought you were taking this seriously.
Hmm.
It's
Doesn't sound like
strange where
Frisk.
conscience leads you. It took me from being a daughter of Imperial lackeys all the way to this tipping
Every
point.
conversation.
I'd be lying if I
Literally
said I
every
didn't miss
conversation.
my family. Regardless of their loyalties, they are still my parents. My sister.
They built good
But
ships.
in Vanguard Squadron, I found a family I could stand beside proudly until the very end. Whatever happens next will be our legacy. And I'm proud to share it with both of you.
You, Gunny, Keo, you're all acting like this is the end.
Oh no.
Am I the only one who remembers we're Vanguard Squadron?
I'm not flying that
We
thing.
have to survive. The galaxy ain't gonna save itself.
You're not gonna make me fly
Let's
that thing.
go. Ain't every day you crash a Starhawk into the moon.
Well, you know, every day it sounds like a better day than to give me the gremlin of the Republic world.
You'll need to be flying your best for this one. X-Wing, Y-Wing, U-Wing, A-Wing. Pick whichever fighter you need.
Oh, thank God. I thought I was gonna get stuck with the A-Wing. The U-Wing had its moments, but it was also really slow. X-Wing is where I'm at. Edit loadout. I don't really like the auto aim. Burst fires never. Let's keep it the regular one. Repair droid. Concussive missile. Ion missile. Barrage rockets. Ion, huh? Medium homing. I'm
You're
gonna go
gonna
with
like that.
ions. Oh, it's probably a bad idea. Sensor jammer, particle burst. Alright. Hull. These are all new names. I don't even know what any of these are. I'm gonna take the deflector hull. Increase shields. Decrease hull integrity. Oh, could be a bad idea. Useful because shields regenerate. Well, yeah, thanks for the science lesson. Okay, alright, alright. I think this is the last mission. I'm actually kind of nervous. Hello everyone, and welcome to Star Wars Squadrons, episode 14. this might be my last flight.
General Syndulla to Imperial forces. Withdraw or be destroyed.
Oh,
We're in the
we're
fire
not going
now.
to do that.
Yeah. Time to end this. For the boss. One hell of a place to fight.
I've never seen anything
For
like
some
it.
reason, it wasn't giving me control of my
Those
vehicle.
Imperials better enjoy the view while they can.
Chris, buddy, you love that bomb.
Did anyone else hear that?
Probably just a comm glitch. Focus on the Star Destroyer.
Oh, this isn't going to be good.
Okay, they
What?
missed their
Just Star
chance.
Destroyers.
Eliminate that Star Destroyer so we can move the Starhawk into position. Any advice, General? Hit the subsystems first to weaken it. Then strike with everything you've got.
Just like that, huh? Eliminate that Star Destroyer like we're swatting a Minoc.
Its shields are too strong. We've got to fly under them and hit the hull dead on.
Take out the Star Destroyer's shield generators.
This thing's
That'll give you
crazy.
a clear shot at its systems.
Right. If we knock out its targeting or power systems, it'll give our other ships a better chance. You've got a missile incoming.
Oh my god, it is missiles. Alright. Let's do it. Whoop. Oh, that's not good. I'm gonna die. Yeah, that's alright. I got a little excited on this one. Try from checkpoint, which is probably
Okay,
the start.
they missed their chance. Eliminate that Star Destroyer so we can move the Starhawk into position. Any advice, General?
Yeah, advice
Hit
would
the
be nice.
subsystems first to weaken it.
Okay. Hold 29. This one, right? This one? Oh, come on. There we go. Target flagship systems.
Then strike
Cool.
with everything you've got.
Just like
Alright.
that, huh? Eliminate that Star Destroyer like we're swatting a Minoc.
Enemies locked on. I wasn't worried.
You're in the Star Destroyer's tractor beam. Try to boost out of there or blast its emitter.
Its shields are too strong. We've got to fly under them and hit the hull dead on.
Take out the Star Destroyer's shield generators. That'll give you a clear shot at its systems.
Right. If we knock out its targeting or power systems, it'll give our other ships a better chance.
Hey, they're behind me.
Everything's behind me. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Yeah, I died. Okay, this is kind of ridiculous. I have no idea how to come at this thing.
Enemy destroyed.
Oh, I blew up again. Oh my god. This is so rough.
Its shields are too strong. We've got to fly under them and hit the hull dead.
So, that is not the best method of doing that.
Take out the Star Destroyer's shield generators. That'll give you a clear shot at its systems.
Oh, no way. Oh, I got actually snagged by an interceptor that time.
Okay, they missed their chance. Eliminate
All
that
right.
Star Destroyer so we can move the Starhawk into position. Any advice, General? Hit the subsystems first to weaken it. Then strike with everything you've got.
Just like that, huh? Eliminate that Star Destroyer like we're swatting a Minoc.
Hey, thanks.
That's a hit!
You're in the Star Destroyer's tractor beam. Try to boost out of there or blast its emitter.
Its shields are too strong.
They've locked on.
There's an enemy lock on. I'm with you. They're right behind you.
I wasn't worried.
No. They don't have another track for me. Something on here? What? Oh, gosh. Oh, crashed. Oh, almost. Thought I'd be fancy about it.
Take out the Star Destroyer's shield generators. That'll give you a clear shot at its systems.
Right. If we knock out its targeting or power systems, it'll give our other ships a better chance. Okay, they missed their chance. Eliminate that Star Destroyer so we can move the Starhawk into position.
Push this up first.
Any advice, General? Hit the subsystems first to weaken it. Then strike with everything you've got.
Just like that, huh? Eliminate that Star Destroyer like we're swatting a Minoc.
They're breaking through.
Love to be the hero.
I always pay my debts. Eventually. We'll stay okay back there, buddy. All right!
Its shields are too strong. We've got to fly under them and
Come on,
keep them
come on, come on,
dead
come on.
on.
Give me another one.
Star Destroyer's shield generators. That'll give you a clear shot at its systems.
Right. If we knock out its targeting or power systems, it'll give our other ships a better chance.
I gotcha.
There. Hey, friend. Fire that did. Oh no. Bounced.
I'm
Lock
being
on me.
foul.
Right here and ready to go.
Shields are going. Loosen their power system. I'll slow them down.
They're down, not out. They have a lock. Enemies all over me.
Whoa.
That part of the ship is done for. Move up.
Enemies right behind you.
Taking fire.
You got a lock on me. You're in the clear.
Nice. Oh, I should be able
I'm
to get
taking fire.
They've
No.
locked on. Stuck on a tractor beam.
You can always count on me.
Oh, thanks. I knew I liked you.
The
I'm gonna
Star
hit it.
Destroyer's
I'm gonna hit it.
functioning
I'm
at
gonna blow up.
75%.
Oh, I don't blow up.
Take down those turbo lasers.
That would make this easier.
That hurt.
We got their shield generator.
Somebody's still on me.
They've locked onto my ship.
You heard the droid. Got one on my tail.
You're good now.
Thank you.
That's just rude.
That's fine.
You got a lock.
We got its shields.
Nice.
On your
Shield
way
gen
now.
down.
Star Destroyer's hull with everything you've got.
There it is again. That doesn't sound like a comm glitch.
Right. We're investigating. Stand by.
Vet! Yeah, 5 hit a weak spot.
Little more, and that Star Destroyer is done for.
Time to wrap this up. Unless you're getting tired, Perez.
That's it. I'll bust this thing myself. The Imperials should have left. They were warned. They had a chance. Well, they ain't getting another chance. Hit 'em hard.
You heard the droid. Got one on my tail.
Oops, no.
I'm in their sights.
Enemy fighter is locked on.
That part of the hull's already been destroyed.
That one's for the commander. You're in the clear.
Friggin' tracking gets me every time. But the hell, people running in.
They locked onto me. We got 'em.
I'm lucky to fly with you.
The Star Destroyer is out of the fight.
Alright,
Good
peace
job,
out, Star
everyone.
Destroyer.
Now, form up. What's next?
Regroup with the Starhawk for stage 2 of the plan.
Regroup with the Starhawk. Okay. Hold 29, switch back to objectives. Thank you. It's very handy. I wish my phone did that while I was off Wi-Fi.
Inside the Starhawk.
I mean, it's not really that hard.
What? It's been evacuated.
We have to be sure. Get to the signal origin point before it's too late.
Okie dokie. Or upside down. Except in space there is no upside down. Full throttle, waiting for 5 bars. Hey, there's our hangar.
We're not leaving anyone behind. Get to that. Clear the
Ow.
way.
Actually, what was that?
Commander! Grace, you see that? Unbelievable.
Lyndon,
No way.
you know the Starhawk inside out?
We thought we lost you.
Yeah, I'll explain later, General. What's our status?
The Starhawk has a straight shot at the moon, sending in corvettes to get it moving. Give them some cover.
Corvettes? To tow the Starhawk into the moon and take out every damn Imperial ship in range.
Then count me in. Let's finish this. Together.
Defend? Oh. Dang it. Alright, well, let's just shoot things. That's my plan. Oh, I gotta defend things like that.
Corvettes are in position.
Whoa, that tractor
Whoa.
beam's no joke.
Oh,
Vanguard.
Jesus, I'm in the track
Imperial
beam.
bombers are
I'm in our
headed
own
straight
track
for the
beam.
Corvettes.
And they're a stationary target. Vanguard, be ready.
Man,
Hold off the
rough
Imperials
stuff.
as long as we can.
Corvette engines at full power.
No.
What's this gonna take?
Longer than I'd like. Be ready.
Come on, hold together.
You okay, Lyndon?
Okay to fly, but not to fight. My little droid here can only fix so much.
We've got all the firepower we need.
Come on, guy.
If you watch our backs, we'll handle the rest.
Bullseye!
There you go. Give over.
Look sharp.
Ooh,
More bombers coming in.
bombers.
The Empire's attacking our corvettes.
Put out those corvettes. The Starhawk's going nowhere. Help them out.
Alright,
The corvettes are still under attack. Let's give them some cover. Corvettes are taking heavy damage. Time to get in there.
I'm here.
We're gonna lose the corvettes.
Take those ships with everything you've got. Damn, we've lost a corvette.
The other one's under heavy strain. Keep those bombers away.
We hear you. It's now or never. Another bomber wave. They're taking no chances.
How's our Starhawk doing, Otto?
We're getting there.
Careful. That tractor beam isn't stable.
No, it is
How
not.
did you survive inside the Starhawk?
I helped build it, remember?
Man.
And I was damn lucky.
We've
Sorry.
lost both corvettes. This plan is shot. Mission abort.
Yeah, mission failed. I don't mean to blame
The
a lot on my
Starhawk has
team
a
here,
straight shot
but
at the moon.
where are
Sending
they?
in corvettes to get it moving. Give them some cover.
Corvettes?
To tow the Starhawk into the moon and take out every damn Imperial ship in range.
Then count me in. Let's finish this. Together.
On your wing.
Corvettes are in position. Vanguard, Imperial bombers are heading straight for the corvettes.
And they're a stationary target. Vanguard, be ready.
We'll hold off the Imperials as long as we can.
Corvette engines at full power.
How long's this gonna take?
Longer than I'd like. Be ready.
Come on, hold together.
You okay, Lyndon?
Okay to fly, but not to fight. My little droid here can only fix so much.
We've got all the firepower we need. If you watch our backs, we'll handle the rest. Watch the tractor beam. Our starfighters can't handle it.
Look sharp. More bombers coming in.
I'll be okay. I'm alright. It doesn't actually do as much damage as I thought it would.
Trying enemy fire.
Come on now. Oh, you little bomber. You just lock onto this guy, so I can never
The
day.
Empire's attacking our corvettes.
Without those corvettes, the Starhawk's going nowhere.
Yes, yes,
Help them out.
yes, yes. Oh.
The corvettes are still under attack.
Let's give them some cover.
Whoa! That tractor
You
beam's no
where?
joke.
There you go.
Corvettes are taking heavy damage.
Time to get in there. Another bomber wave. They're taking no chances.
How's our Starhawk doing, Otto?
Nice.
We're getting there.
How did you survive inside the Starhawk?
I helped build it, remember? And I was damn lucky.
Joking.
I'm under fire.
More bombers coming right at us.
Oh, you're not getting away.
We're gonna lose the corvettes.
Shush.
Protect those ships with
Shoot
everything
them,
you
mate.
got.
That tractor beam almost shook me apart.
Damn, we've lost a corvette.
The other one's under heavy strain.
We've lost both corvettes. This
Oh
plan is
my
shot.
god.
Mission
I have to
abort.
switch vehicles and put a shield vehicle on. Okay. I know what I gotta do.
They're a
Alright.
stationary target. Vanguard,
Switching it up.
be ready.
Ooh, that was jiggy. Back to you.
We'll hold off the Imperials as long as we can.
Corvette engines at full power.
How long's this gonna take?
Longer than I'd like. Be ready.
Come on, hold together.
You okay, Lyndon?
Okay to fly, but not to fight. My little droid here can only fix so much.
We've got all the firepower we need. If you watch our backs, we'll handle the rest.
Careful. That tractor beam isn't stable. Look sharp. More bombers coming in.
There we go. There we go. Okay.
They mean business.
Oh my god, seriously? I didn't kill him?
The Empire's attacking our corvettes.
I
Put up those
know.
Corvettes. Starhawk's going nowhere.
I'm
Help them
pretty
out.
sure it's their mission.
The corvettes are still under attack.
Let's give them some cover.
That tractor beam almost shook me apart. Another bomber wave. They're taking no chances.
Corvettes are taking
Okay,
heavy
take
damage.
mine.
Time to get in there.
How's our Starhawk doing, Otto?
We're getting there.
Chilling this tractor beam.
How did you survive
Whoa,
inside the
hello.
Starhawk?
I helped build it, remember? And I
I
was
think
damn
the tractor
lucky.
beam pulled me right in.
Hello there yourself.
More bombers coming right at us.
That's party, dude.
I'm with you.
Okay. I'm going to chill out anywhere.
Gonna lose the Corvettes.
Protect those ships with everything you've got.
No need to
Help
thank
me shoot
me.
things then.
Oh, thanks. I knew I liked you.
Damn, we've lost a Corvette.
The other one's
We don't know
under
how
heavy
important
strain.
killing the bombers
Keep
are, right?
those bombers away.
We hear you. It's now or never.
Vanguard, we have TIE bombers heading right for us.
Oh my
Get rid of them
god.
before we lose those corvettes.
We're gonna lose the Corvettes.
I've lost my shields.
That's it. The Starhawk is on a collision course with the moon.
Oh, did I do it?
Nice. Smooth sailing from
Oh,
here.
thank god.
Wouldn't that be a
Oh
change?
my god, that was crap.
Where is the Corvette going?
I ordered it back. Towing the Starhawk alone almost burned out its engines. It's up to you now, Vanguard.
Count on us, General.
All right. The Starhawk's picking up speed, but it's still vulnerable.
Vanguard, defend the Starhawk at all costs.
Leave it to us.
Why can't I
Right
target anything?
here and ready to go.
Starhawk's almost ready to blow. How long we gotta fly escort?
You see that archway between those two rocks? That's where it's headed.
Once the Starhawk reaches that point, there's no turning back.
Prepare yourselves.
Starhawk.
It's too
There we
bad
go.
we're losing the Starhawk like this.
It was built to stop Imperial fleets, and that's exactly what it's gonna do.
Thanks to Teresa, though I doubt she'd like the irony.
We're picking up an incoming Imperial cruiser. Stay alert.
Oh, come on. Don't they know when to quit?
I have a targeting button over somewhere that it shouldn't be. It's frustrating. Get him. Nice. Is there a light cruiser? Oh.
They're tailing you.
That's fine.
They've locked on. Maybe next time.
toes. Finish off that cruiser. We're almost there.
You heard Gully. Bring it down.
I am attempting so.
Starhawk's taking damage.
We can't let them destroy it before it hits the moon.
Everyone on the Temperance is counting on us.
And you've never
Oh,
let
we
them
got
down. Today is no different.
Yes, we got it. Imperial cruiser is down.
Expertly done. All of you.
You got an enemy missile.
A second Imperial cruiser is heading to your location.
No way.
Well, we're warmed up already. Bring it on.
Oh my god. Seriously, a second one. Perfect. Where's it at? There we go. Okay. It is having a hard time with all of this. It's okay. You can do it. Where'd it go? Down here. Aha. Right there.
You heard the droid. Got one on my tail. This isn't fun.
They don't like me.
I got you. We have to keep the Starhawk together or we'll never stop that Imperial fleet. Just a little further.
Oh, escort. Round one. Oh dear.
Starhawk is almost there.
Time to give it our all.
Second enemy cruiser's taking a beating. Don't let up. We're getting close. Everyone, watch your cockpit heat levels and give those Imperials hell. You got it. I got it. Reloading.
Alright.
Let me reload.
I'll let you reload. Bye. I need to reload. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
The Starhawk's taking a
Oh
beating.
my god.
Vanguard, keep the Starhawk in one piece until it's in position.
I am doing everything I can.
The second cruise is almost finished. Just a little more.
Stop shooting me in the face. It's actually bugging me.
That's another cruiser down.
Yeah. I'm bouncing.
Hey, Ardo, you seeing this?
Confirmed. Enemy fighters closing in.
What?
You did it. There's no stopping the Starhawk now. Time to fall back.
Alright. Ooh, I think I did it. Oh my god, I hope I did it.
We're gonna make it out of this, right, Keo? Right, Keo?
In theory.
Vanguard Squadron, get out of there!
Oh, thanks for the fight.
No one panic. Follow me.
Oh, I actually gotta fly?
Last
Oh
wave's
god.
coming. We gotta outrun it.
Oh god.
Go, go, go! I feel the shockwave on my
Okay, they
tail.
test my horrible, horrible skills.
Stay with me.
Alright, dude.
No room, no room.
Keo, see that opening?
Oh, oh, oh,
Yikes,
oh
that was
god.
too close. Impressive, sharp moves.
Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. Let's try it again.
The blast wave's coming. We gotta outrun
Clouds
it.
are flying.
Go, go, go!
Okay.
I feel the shockwave on
The
my
next ones are
tail.
all tuckered up
Stay
there.
with me.
Can I shoot? Oh, I can't shoot anything?
No
Okay.
room, no room.
Keo, see that opening?
Okay.
Yikes, that was too close. Impressive, sharp moves.
Oh god, boink. I don't know where anyone is. There's someone. Okay. Oh god.
Dodge around. That
than us.
Everyone holding up okay?
Sort of.
Faster, Frisk, you can do it.
I wish
Now, go on. Leave me
you would
behind.
fly a little more stable.
No
That
one
would be
gets left
cool.
behind.
Oh wow. Cool. The emergency get off the ship
There's no way
alarm.
through here. We're done for.
Oh my god, Frisk,
There's always a
shut
way.
up.
I see it. That's my flight path.
What the commander said. This might take us through.
This'll be tight. We can do it.
I'm burning up in here. No time to get careless. All these rocks look the same.
There's light. Follow me.
Holy crap.
We're almost out.
We just like fly through an asteroid? Or, no, we flew through the moon. That's even
I did
cooler.
it. I mean, we did it.
Let's head home.
Chandrilla's ahead. Our people will be safe, and we can plan to rebuild. You did it, Vanguard. Project
We did it.
Starhawk is only just beginning.
Vanguard, punch it.
In a bind. I missed that. Alright. Okay, cool. I thought I was just gonna get mission complete. Piece by piece and chromium. Alright. Everybody. Let's hit continue again, because that was the last mission. So let's see the ending.
Hope is like the sun. If you only believe in it when you can see it, you'll never make it through the night. We know our new republic faces great challenges. But thanks to Vanguard Squadron, peace is closer than ever. General Syndulla sacrificed one Starhawk for the chance to build a fleet. From Nadiri, Commander Javes will guide our best and brightest, forging the strength to challenge an empire. The war goes on, but we face it with renewed courage. Inspired by heroes who fly for freedom as we emerge from the darkness of Imperial oppression into the light of a new era.
Alright, everyone. Thank you for joining me on this incredibly long adventure, both in parts and in time it took me to complete it, because there was an area where I didn't do it. If you made it all the way to the end, I appreciate it. Like and subscribe if you want more, and have a good day. Bye-bye.